Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today our topic is present continuous tense. Let's see what is the identification of present continuous tense. So present continuous tense narrates an action which is being continued or going to be continued. An action which is being continued, okay, in the near future. So it uses is the helping verbs is, are, am, and we will use the ing form. With the first form of verb we will add ing is added with the first form of the verb. So let's see what is the formula to make these sentences. To make present continuous tense, first of all we will write the subject, then we will choose is, are, and am according to the subject, okay, and then we will use first form of verb plus ing. With the first form of verb we will add ing, like eat is the first form of verb, and we will add ing with eat, eating, it will become eating. Jump, jumping. Drink, drinking. Okay, like this we will use the first form and then we will add ing, and then in the end there will be object. This is the formula of positive. Okay, then move to the negative. So first of all we will write subject, then helping verb from is, are, and am. We will choose any one according to the subject. Okay, I will tell you later that which with which subjects you will write is, and with which subjects you will choose are and am. Then not, then first form of verb ing and object, same, the same formula as I told you here, only there is the addition of not. Is, are, am in the beginning because this is interrogative. In interrogative we always write the helping verb in the first, and then subject, then first form of verb with ing, fourth form, and then object. Okay, the same in all these tenses. In positive, negative, and interrogative we will use with the first form of verb ing and is, are, and am according to the subject. Let's see the examples. Example of positive: I am playing football. Subject, helping verb am, and then playing. Play is the first form of verb, and then we add ing, playing football. Object. Again, in negative sentence, again, first of all we will write I is the subject, okay, and with I we always use am. Then not, in negative sentences there is the addition of not, am, I am not playing football. And in the interrogative the helping verb will come in the first, so am, then subject I, and with the first form of verb we use ing, playing football, in the end question mark. Students, just remember these three important points. Is will be used with if the sentence is started with he or she or it, and are will be used when the sentence will be started with you, we, and they. You are, we are, they are. And am will be used if the subject will be I. Okay, if the sentence will be started with I, then only we will use am, and with these subjects we will use is, and with these subjects we will use are. So just remember these things. Okay, so students, write it very neatly on your English grammar notebooks. Also I will send you the pic. Write the identification and then rules and then examples. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.